Hi everyone, this is Marius from Pickup Media. Today I'm at Pink Kimberley Diamonds in Sydney, Australia. We have a square radiant cut, fancy intense yellow VVS1 0.48 carat stone. So take the stone and place it inside the GemLightbox Macro, put the lens back on, and then we're going to put the camera back in front. Everything's looking very sharp. I am going to adjust it a little bit further down so that it is in the center of the camera, and then we're going to press record. Very good color. You can see all the different facets inside the stone, and even though it's a 0.48 carats, it looks very big and very sharp, and we've got all the details. So save the video, and then we'll take a photograph as well. Beautiful. For comparison, this is a stone compared to the video that we just took, and you're able to see that it is a very high color accuracy, and we're getting lots of details on there even though it is a smaller stone.